Only I can save me.
Whoa, they're kind of wet. When you eat in the mornings, you can use a rooster plate because the rooster's cock-a-doodle-doo in the morning.
Once again, I was sent away. This time for months, and every day I paid no attention to every
It's like freaking in the middle of the night. What the fuck am I doing up in this light? I'm supposed to be sleeping. But I'm up making freaking videos for you guys. I should be sleeping. See? Ah, fuck if you can see. Come on, Megan, think. Oh my god, I'm thinking too much. Look at me. Look how big I am. I think there's an alien in my house. MT. Go home.